So I went ahead starting the right side. When you section, you draw your section on the scalp. So I'll be cutting parallel to my section. I'll be standing parallel to my section. You can see I finished beveling the nape. Area, so you can see where it goes from short and it goes into long. I've started doing this side already. Pushing the head away, standing parallel to my partings. The partings tell me what angle I'll be taking. Here's my guide. I'm going to pass my guide, bevel my fingers. Here's my guide. I'm going to pass my guide, bevel my fingers. Get all those little strays. Putting in my section again. Standing right parallel. Standing position, head position, all matters. I'm coming in, taking a piece of the guide from the center, taking a piece of the guide from the bottom, pass my guide, tuck, never over directing, going with a natural fall where gravity, turn, tuck. Going to be running out of here soon. Using the large part of the comb to get those tangles out. Flipping it over. Watching my guide. Tucking my fingers. Although I feel I want to over direct, the hair is not going to fall that way. The hair is going to fall down. Give it a little shake, that's where it's going to fall. So as not to over direct, I'm going to tuck, let the hair fall. And now I have my curving bob. I'll be doing the other side. Feeling for my ear, the crown. I said it's quite okay for you to section. Remember my diagonal part, cutting a curve, so my parting has to reflect that curve. A lot of hair. I'm going to try and stand parallel to my partings so you can see. Tuck my finger. Before I move on, before I do anything, I'm going to make sure she's straight. I'm going to feel for the same section on the other side. I'm going to pull it out and check for length. Okay, so we're a little bit short on this side, but that gives me room now to bevel even more. So now that I know that, I'm going to go in Ah, we're not, because the next section was a really large bevel. And while the camera was off, my client reminded me of how fuzzy the bottom is, so she likes it shorter. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go back and measure again. Oops, I'm going to get a heavier clip. Hang on, guys, let's get a heavier clip. There we go.